Mesre, you defini if you course of fan share radins. It's becoming frightening through ne adibia your recklessness and your carelessness.
Yeah.
So I just say, or mine more you yes, I different frubia this you. Young Kasa the more mine more cost almost every day, every time. If we say ye namon tuo ye suban ye ne ye kasa ye dwumadie bibia ye biano pointed to a certain fact say ye mpese ye benyan sachraye and no me ye engage Cecil he was one time a radio guy
went to nobody
Cecil
no unique yeah sure
very good voice
very
one in Kofa highways ninkwa radio still
yeah Cecil
he explained a lot of things was in regards to highways for Jumomo and the bureaucratic system or Ghana and the young kasa nipano because sebi in common the yaman could say Achimota overpass you say what over a year there
Achimota overhead
yeah your limiter as a car 8 million at the foul
bounce how much she has nyina
oh in for you no quite say you eh kosi say me dream
how much she has nyina
car ne bro ade na kasa so
yeah
ono car ne dru ho ultimate chisel hey
yeah
or chisel
so you serious oh chisel no what their fam
ko
are you serious oh
no a compromise kwan no bridge no it's when we sit here
are you serious I'm telling you evidence based me say
and no I mean who dream me and no mo just say traffic light na maka say ebu ato
me say oko Achimota overhead
what do we do to those people when they do those things
we allow them
and no catch say cross in kwanhia si wa Achimota hono ma akwai man cause chechira ba no
Kojo fajo na chechira de ko fefri
so o see accident BC o say obi say south under bridge na over bridge no or say a portion of it broni
look at that
omo kobusa broni e ka chense why you say this is also after I saying me make me cement $5 I say ejuma no something millions
really
of Ghana cedis cost to the taxpayer no the broni sits in his comfort you know what I'm saying so anonya kukudro
e can
wait a highway authority for
na yamaneko
so Mr. And I'm happy with the new normal, but I don't know which way you stand there. Fix yourself or fix the country or whichever way, no. We a great responsibility is that and no highways farmer will say they keep fixing, we keep breaking it down. They keep fixing, we keep breaking it down. It's encopim da ben because ministry be on the budget. Ministry be on the budget and then your mind so I was cut up.
No, but the man in the
yeah,
they keep fixing, we keep breaking it down,
and we are not punishing.
And yeah, exactly.
But that's what you, Mr. Yatiani, exactly. And no, or train you maybe money fake.
Me and Tiasia.
We are part of it. Me are part of it. I want to try red light. One not from mine. Charlie Cobra. Me cry me who now so amba. Na me tia so na Musa say.
And the test.
And the achieve.
And the test.
Na Cobra Santia for phone wa friend.
And the test.
Chief Supo. I want on a bonyo
my brother.
These are some things. Your man getting na adidi na be adekesi because ubusa ho say trotro driver timi gina kwan mu elodu a fa na mra no o gina kwan mu
olodi
sa trotro driver na olodu na ofa passengers
ukoka so obedi watem
passengers so omo fro no so no omo so ukoka and so another man sa passengers na kasa say fix the country
yeah
baby a yen twa U10
ye twa
omo twa titiru ka ogudi onum no free 37 ba twa U10 sa fa nko 37 omo twa sa
ye twa sa
omo twa sa
ye twa
ba twa na no achi o twa koso accident
babna wan Tesano police station
yeah
Dr. Agawa Bronson
West
if Tesano now ba ko
say
omo twa da
in front of the
omo twa
so me semo nye de bia da na beba betina kikam say ana ban no na ban no we are major contributors of where the country is today major ya bua pa mo mana bi so ameme so you ye hu free ma enyi enti baby a wo she bia no enyum we brighten the corner where you are no a very important so one timi am brighten wo corner na wo no answer no aba abonti abekasa fix it now your costing us a great disservice eti mesre I had to say Many Awana. We know almost all the ghettos in town. We know almost all where the armed robbers did. I post the first social armed robbers now. Near picture they say.
And yet we want the country to be fixed.
One of the saddest things, apart from Accra Kumasi Road, and Assessor Share and cry, or the road map, remember Muse, or Mugusu, or Mubitu One
yeah,
was from 1986. I'm called Form 1. ABC and Nano Pamikasi.
1986 now call Form 1.
Yeah, I posted for.
That's a time we'll see.
We are no. I posted for Ajikwamu Kwanso Ademu DSRBC and Nano Pamikasi. How do we change the system? Nothing is changing.
Abaya normal.
And not na make a choice.
Abaya
and not na make a choice.
So you see beautiful police women.
Yeah.
And so
but na make a choice.
And
na make a choice. Pensacha.
No money.
But subana ye no. Ye free that ni na amwa no.
Naka.
Ye hu the entia SSS suban. Until we shift from those old attitudes and mentality. Asampa. Because ye bet koso atna ya ne.